Good morning, student. Today we are going to take one more topic, that is the method of valuation of goodwill. It's the next topic of chapter 3. Okay. For that, before of this topic, we are just studying about the sacrificing and gaining ratio. In last video, we are trying to solve some question also. Here, I am going to start next topic, that is the method of valuation of goodwill. For the valuation of goodwill, we are going to utilize a three method. Mainly for the valuation of goodwill, we are going to utilize three method. First, average profit method. Second, super profit method. Third, capitalization method. In this average profit, we are going to calculate the average profit and then use that average profit for the calculation of goodwill. As like that, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchase year, and then average profit is equal to total profit upon number of profit year. Okay, beta? Number of profit year. That goodwill, the formula of goodwill in the basis of first average profit. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchase year, and average profit is equal to total profit upon number of profit year. Okay? And next, super profit method. Here formula of goodwill is goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase year. Okay, beta? Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase year. And what is meaning of super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit less normal profit, beta. Less normal profit. Super profit is equal to average profit less normal profit. This is the formula. And next we are going for the capitalization method. In this capitalization method, two methods is there. One, capitalization value of average profit, and second, capitalization value of super profit. When we are going to take the capitalization value of average profit, then average profit into 100 upon rate of return. Super profit into 100 upon rate of return. Okay. On this method, all this method we are utilizing for the valuation of goodwill. Now, just now we are going to start with the first method, that is the average profit method. Okay, and other I will explain after this. So, average profit method, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchase year. Average profit is equal to total profit upon number of purchase year. Okay, beta? Average profit is equal to total profit upon number of purchase year. It means we are just taking the profit of the different year. Okay, profit of the different year, and then calculate the average profit, and that average profit using or putting in the formula of goodwill, and then we are going to calculate the goodwill. For that we are going to take one question. Question number 3. Okay, in this question they are given the some profit. Okay, read the question.
The goodwill of a firm is valued at 4 years. Purchase of average profit.
Purchase year 4 year.
The purchase
Average
5.
profit year 5. Then
2013-14 2 lakh.
2013-14 2 lakh profit is that.
Yes.
2014-15
3 lakh loss.
3 lakh, that is given in bracket, beta. If in given in bracket, it means minus. Okay, this bracket is showing minus. It means it's a loss. Okay, next 2015-16
4 lakh 50,000.
4 lakh 50,000. Then 2 lakh 2016-17
2015-16 including an abnormal gain of 50,000.
abnormal gain of 50,000. Okay, beta. Abnormal gain of 50,000. You are getting the abnormally. It means that is not related with the business. Any type of abnormal gain we are going to less from the profit. The exact profit is 4 lakh rupees. 50,000 less. This profit is less than 4 lakh rupees. Exact amount is 4 lakh. Okay, go for the next 17, 16, 17.
3 lakh 50,000 after charging an abnormal loss of 90,000.
One abnormal loss. It's not normal, it's other sources. So you are charging, it's wrong to add. add this 90,000 and then 4,40,000. Okay beta, 4,40,000 and 17-18 profit
2,60,000.
2,60,000. Okay, now I am going to calculate average profit. So average profit is equal to total profit. Total profit yani 2 lakh less 3 lakh. Okay beta, because of minus, plus 4 lakh plus 4,40,000 plus 2,60,000 divide by 5. It means 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 10 lakh, 13 lakh, minus 3, 10 lakh. 13 lakh minus 3, 10 lakh upon 5. It means 2 lakh. Okay, average profit is 2 lakh. Now I am going to utilize this goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchase year. 2 lakh into number of purchase year already given 4. It means 8 lakh rupees. Okay. On this way we are going to calculate goodwill. On this way we are going to calculate goodwill. Goodwill is 8 lakh rupees. Clear? Again I like to explain this abnormal profit or abnormal loss. If any type of other sources, abnormal means other sources, profit you are including, it means wrong, so less that amount. Expense you are including, it means wrong, then add that amount. Because any expense showing in PL, so by that your profit is decreased. So add that things, then your profit is when again increase. Any income you are adding, your profit is increased, then less that things. Okay beta, clear? Clear or not? Clear? Now I am going for taking one more question. Average profit method, but with the weighted system. Okay beta? Average profit method, but weighted average profit method. Only the formula change in weighted average profit. Only weight will come. Only weight will come. Okay. Only weight will come. It means average weighted profit. Average weighted profit is equal to total weighted profit upon total weight. Okay beta? And in goodwill, average profit, on the place of average profit we are utilizing weighted profit. Okay, now see the question number 7, I think.
Yes.
Question number 7. First write down the profit, then give the weight. Just see board, because here we are going to write down the question and then how to solve, how to give the weight and then calculate the average. Okay, start.
2000. The profit earned by a firm during the last 4 years were as follows. The year ended 31st March 2013, 80,000.
80,000 beta. Okay, 13, 80,000.
2014, 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
2015, 1 lakh 10,000.
1 lakh 10,000.
2016, 1 lakh 50,000.
1 lakh 50,000. Okay. Now we are giving to give the weight. Okay. It's the amount. Here. Now weight. Weight like that. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 beta. Okay. Clear? This system we are going to follow. First 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the profit. Any losses there? These all the profit now. Then weighted profit is equal to 80,000, 2 lakh, 330, 60. Then total 2,21,000, and thus take the total of this weight also. 4721, 474321, 7291, 10. Okay, then just see the formula. average weighted profit is equal to total this 121 upon 10. 121,000. 1,21,000 is the total average profit. Now going for the goodwill. So goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of purchase year. 121,000 into number of purchase year is
Number of purchase. One,
3.
1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively.
No, number of purchase year. See in the question, number of purchase year. Goodwill will be evaluated. On the place of that is given. Read the question.
3 years purchase.
3 year purchase. 3. It means 363. 3,63,000. Answer is coming. 3,63,000. Answer is coming, beta. Okay. On this way we are going to calculate. Okay. It's the way by which we are going to calculate a weighted profit. Clear? On this way we are going to calculate average profit method. Okay. In this average profit, weighted profit is also including. Now I am going for the next. That is the super profit method. Okay, beta. Super profit method. I am trying to write all the things big size. By that you are easily see in camera. Okay. If the problem to seeing the board, then tell about that. Then we are trying to utilize some other technique for clear the board. Okay. Next is second method. Super profit method. Okay, super profit method. Formula: goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase year. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase year. Now we are going to calculate the super profit because we didn't know how to calculate the super profit, and super profit is equal to average profit in less normal profit. Here you will know about the average profit, but we didn't know about the normal profit. Just see, normal profit is equal to capital or investment into rate of return upon 100. Rate of return upon 100. By the utilizing of this formula, we are going to calculate the normal profit. Then put this normal profit and average profit in the formula of super profit. Then we are going to calculate the super profit. After the calculation of super profit, we are putting this formula, this super profit in the goodwill. Super profit into number of purchase year. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase year. Okay, beta. First we are going to calculate the average profit, then normal profit. For the normal profit formula is here, and for average profit you will know for formula. No, beta. Average profit. For the average profit, total profit upon number of purchase year, beta, and then normal profit, capitalize investment or investment into rate of return upon 100. Okay. On the basis of that, I will just going to see the one or two question. By that, I try to make you all understand. Okay. Question number
10.
Question number 10, beta. Question number 10. Okay. Read the question.
A firm earned profit of 80,000, 1 lakh, and 1,20,000 and 1,80,000.
Profit 80,000.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1,20,000
1,20,000
and 1,80,000.
1,80,000. These are the 4-year profit. All the profit. No one is lost, na? No bracket is there. Okay. Next.
During 2010 to 11, 2011 to 12, 2012 to 13, and 2013 to 14 respectively.
Okay. It's like that, beta. 2013 start or 2013?
10.
2013 or 10?
10.
2010, 11, 12 and 13. 80,000.
40,000.
Only 4-year profit is there, na?
Yes, but 5 years. 2010 to 2011.
10 to 11, beta. So that is 11. 10 to 11 like that. 10 to 11 means like that. It's 2010 to 11. 11 to 12. 12 to 13. 13 to
40.
14. Okay, 80,000, 10,000, 120 and 80. Okay, other information?
This firm has a capital investment of 5 lakh.
Capital is 5 lakh and rate of return
A fair rate of return on investment is 50%.
15%.
15% per annum.
Okay. Now first we are going to calculate average profit, then normal profit, then we are going to calculate the goodwill. Okay, beta. First we are going to calculate normal profit. Okay. This formula is here. Normal profit is equal to capital or investment. Here capital. Just remove the investment. The capital and rate of return upon 100. So capital is 5 lakh. Okay, 5 lakh is the capital into 15 upon 100. 5 lakh capital into 15 upon 100. Then 75,000. Okay, beta. Clear? And then go for the average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit upon number of year. Total profit into number of profit year. Total 80,000 plus 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 20,000 plus 1 lakh 80,000. Divide by 4. 80, 120, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 4 lakh 80,000 upon 4, 1 lakh 20,000. Okay, clear? 1 lakh 20,000. Then SP, super profit is equal to 1 lakh 20,000. This formula, AP minus NP minus 75,000. Then 45,000. Okay, beta. Then 45,000. Just replace this formula in this formula. 45,000 into, I think, number of purchase here 4 or 3. Number of purchase here
4.
4. It means 1,80,000 is answer. Goodwill is
1,35,000.
so purchase year is 3. 4-year profit is there.
Yes.
Purchase year is 3. Purchase year beta 3. 1,35,000. Okay. Here is no spaces there. Then so I am putting it upside. If you like, then goodwill is equal to this formula. SP is 4,50,000. Purchase year 3. Then 1,35,000. This is the answer. Your goodwill is 1,35,000. Okay. Your goodwill is 1,35,000. Clear? On this base we are going to calculate the goodwill on the basis of super profit method. Goodwill on the basis of super profit method. Now take one more question. Just see one more question. Clear about the things or not? Because formula, most thing is that on this type of question you have to remember the all formula, then you are easily solve the question. Without the remembering the formula, you cannot able to solve the question. Okay, beta, so try to remember the formula. It's very important to remembering the formula. Okay, one more question. Question number
12.
12. Question number 12, beta. Okay, start.
The capital of a firm of Anuj and Benu is 10 lakh.
Capital of the firm is 10 lakh. Okay.
The market rate of interest is 15%.
Interest rate is 15%. Okay.
Annual salary of partners is 60,000.
Annual salary partner 60,000. Okay.
The profit for the last 3 years were 2,80,000.
Profit first year, second year, third year. 2,80,000.
3,80,000.
3,80,000.
4,20,000.
4,20,000. Okay.
Goodwill of a firm is to be valued on the basis of 2 years purchase of last 3 years average super profits.
Average of super profit. So first we are going to average. Just calculate the average. This salary, annual salary for each are, this salary is annual salary beta?
Yes.
For each.
Yes.
For all partner or each partner?
Each part.
Each partner. It means 2 partners there. So it means into 2, it means total is 1,20,000. So 2 ways there. You are going to less 1,20,000 for this year, or all year, or take the average and then less the 1,20,000. So just go for the average. So average profit is equal to, just add 2,80,000 plus 3,80,000 plus 4,20,000. 280, 380, 420. 3 and 4, 7 lakh, 7, 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 80,000. 10 lakh, 80,000 divided by 3, 3 lakh 60,000. Okay, this is the average. So exact actual average is equal to 3,60,000 minus 1,20,000, because it's what? It's a salary beta. 1,20,000 is what? It's a salary. Just different this amount, then 2,40,000 is average. Now going to the normal profit. Normal profit, capital, rate of return, capital is 1,15,000 upon 100. It means it's the capital is 1 lakh or 10 lakh?
10
10 lakh.
is 10 lakh.
10 lakh. So 1,50,000. Okay. Now going for the super profit. Beta super profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit 2,40,000 minus 1,50,000. Total difference is the 90,000. Now goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase year. 90,000 into 2. 1,80,000. Beta, answer is coming. 180 is answer, no? 180 is answer.
Yes.
Okay? On this way we are going to solve the question. You utilize the formula also. Put the formula, explain the formula also. Then you are easy to get the numbers. Okay? And in next video we are going for this capitalized method, and some other point is left. Okay, beta? All the thing is clear? Okay, thank you.